Hello and welcome new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. First up, we have these Disney items, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, and it's included with a bonus card. Look at this little Mickey Mouse car in red, and then the Minnie Mouse car in pink, and then we have Pixar figurines as well, the different from Toy Story, all these different creatures, items, people, and they have a Disney. Well, it's not Disney with Frozen, right? We have Disney princesses and these DIY jewelry making items. Wow. Awesome. Let's see. And we have this 30-piece frame item, frame and scene, it's called. Then we have the Pixar Lightyear. Then we have Minnie Mouse of the 3D layered pictures. Awesome. Great little gift items. And what I'm adding on is it Tatiana, the Princess and the Frog? Since it wasn't included in the other one, I found it later. Now we have these Disney ducks. These little rubber duckies. We have Mickey Mouse. I'm not sure what that one was. Cinderella, I believe. Not sure what that one is either, but you see the little Disney ducks. Plus, we have the Dr. Seuss eraser in like the shapes of books. This is so adorable. When does the season come out for the Dr. Seuss books, characters, usually in school? I can't remember what time of year that is, but this would be opportunity to get it now. So when that time of year comes, you'll be ready for it. Lips, lips, lips. Lip pumping kit. Exfoliating scrub. Hydrogel lip mask. And lip pumper. So if you want those pumped lips, here's the kit. Speaking of lips, we have lip gloss with what Alice and Wonderland. And this one is another Alice in Wonderland lip gloss. Ooh. More for your lips. And another lip gloss that you can see. And then we have the Disney Princess lip gloss. And this is Cinderella. Woohoo! And another Cinderella lip shimmer lips gloss. Woohoo! We have items by LA Colors. We have an auto eyeliner. And I guess it's black and green. Another black one. Also, we have the liquid eyeshadow and this blue, green, and purple that I found. So there you have LA Touches items. We have two items by Sassy Plus Chic. We have the makeup brushes, and it seems like it comes in two sizes. This is my first time seeing this particular shape of the handle. It's a little different from the other handles. So if you want to try it out, just give it a try. These socks are awesome. It's not just your regular socks. These are the little soft ones that you love to wear in the wintertime. They have Twizzler, Jolly Ranchers, Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. These are so cute because they're not the typical just plain socks. They are the winter soft socks for you to wear and show off. It's fall season and we have the perfectly pumpkin cookies by Pillsbury. Makes 12 cookies. And this is a suggestion. You may want to just put an extra amount of pumpkin spice to give it maybe a little extra kick when you're making your pumpkin cookies. And of course, you probably can make it with a cream cheese icing on top if you want to. Awesome. Sounds delicious, right? If you try it, let me know. Sunflower Seeds by David. These are mixed with Frank's Red Hot Sauce. So if you love sunflower seeds and you wanted a little kick to it, hey, they have for you to try. I love sunflower seeds, but I don't think I want to mix it with the Red Hot. I don't know. You may enjoy it. I may not. Everyone has their own little taste buds. Mints, Mints, and More Mints by Big Sky. It's peppermint mints. I wonder if they're a little dupe for another brand that we know. Makes you wonder. May or may not. But if you try these Big Sky mints, let me know. We'll keep it between us. Wow, look at these candles. Sunburst Mandarin. Look how they're in a little case. See? And there's a little glass candle. And you can take it out of the container. So there you go. Awesome gift because it's a gift within a gift to me. And then we have the peach sweet tea. Then we have the boysenberry vine and the lemon gelato. Ooh. New item. This is the first time I'm seeing this item, and it is sea glass slices. With it says green mix. So I guess gives you everything, like the slices. It shows you can see in the picture. And this is by Floral Garden. So you can put it in a bowl or a vase and give it that look. Wow. Is this something that you would buy? Let me know. More Christmas items. These are items, light bulbs. And they have the shimmer on them. As you can see, some things, those look new to me. Some of the other items, there are typical things that they have at Christmas time, nothing new. These are the same. The boxes, we've seen the ornament boxes before. We've seen the owls, the other owls, and I believe we've seen these buffalo check ornaments before. They have the red and black and the white and black. So if you're going for that theme, I'm not sure if these ornaments are new. At least I don't think I remember, but I could be wrong. Let me know in the comment section down below. Some more of the boxes and angels and all the little different stuff that they normally have at Christmas time. And if you are looking for something new or want to show something new, let me know in the comment section. I would like to see some new Christmas items. We have Model Magic in red, yellow, blue, and you can shape it, blend it, slime it. Ooh, the kids will love the slime. Are kids really still into slime? Let me know. This doesn't seem like as much, but I guess there are some kids who are still into slime. Wowee. Mega dryer sheets. Wow. Fresh scent, soft and freshens, controls static clean. Yet, this is the catch, repels pet hair and lint. Wow. That's saying a lot. There are 15 mega sheets for a course, $1.25. And if you have any pets, let me know if you try these mega sheets and see if it really works. I don't have any pets, so I really can't really go based on my opinion because, of course, I don't have pets. But if you have a pet and if you try these mega sheets, I know they're, at least in my Dollar Tree, they're new. So if you have pets, go out and buy them, find and buy it, and come back and let me know. What? 12 table tennis balls. 12. Wow. I know there are some craft projects I know people using the table tennis balls, but I can't, they're not coming to mind right now. I know sometimes they feel like containers or I'm not sure. I cannot, it's just not for the life of me. It's not coming to me. But if you know what people use table tennis balls and craft projects, let me know in the comment section down below. Now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. It may include one, two, or even more Dollar Plus items for you to enjoy. Wow, we have rotating bath organizers that are $5. And you don't have to use it for your bathroom. You can use for your craft project section, storage. You can put scissors in there or pencils, pens, markers, anything that you want. And it's rotating. Yes. And next we have this vanity organizer. As you see, it says sections look like for what it like lipstick or nail polish. You don't have to use it for vanity. You can, like I said, craft projects or craft storage or any other kind of storage or office storage, whatever makes you happy. Well, everyone, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. It'd be greatly appreciated. I'm really trying to get my channel to grow. Like and send it to your friends, your families. Check out my other videos, my hauls, Dollar Tree houses, my DIYs. Yes, like I always say, be blessed until the next time and be better than yesterday.